In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to publish an indicator on Tradingview step by step. 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a Pine script you've already built and make it available for others to view or add to their charts. First, open Tradingview and make sure you're logged in. Publishing is tied to your account, so if you're not signed in, the Publish option won't appear. You can do this on the web or the desktop app. Both work the same for this process. Next, open the chart where your indicator is applied. This confirms that your script is loading correctly and that the plots, alerts, and settings look the way you expect. If you need to tweak inputs or styling, do that now, so what you publish reflects the final version you want others to see. On the top toolbar, click Pine Editor. This opens your code at the bottom of the screen. If your script isn't visible, use the File menu inside the editor to load it. You want to verify that the script in the editor matches what you're seeing on the chart. Make sure your indicator script is complete and saved. Check that it compiles without errors, your default settings are sensible, and any placeholder text is cleaned up. Give it a clear version note so you can track updates later. Saving here ensures the exact code you're publishing is locked in. Now click the Publish Script button above the Pine editor. This opens a publishing window where you'll fill in key details for your listing. Enter a concise, descriptive name for the indicator. Aim for something recognizable and searchable. Then write a clear description of what it does. Explain the purpose, the main signals or visuals, and any guidance on how to use it effectively. Keep it honest and helpful so users know what to expect. Choose your access level. Select Public to share it with everyone, making it visible in Tradingview's library for all users. Or choose Protected if you want limited access. This keeps the code private and restricts who can use the script while still letting people add it if you grant permission. When everything looks good, click Publish to submit your indicator to Tradingview. Depending on platform processes, there may be a brief review. After it's published, your indicator will be available for others to view or add to their charts, according to the access you chose. That's it. The easiest way to publish an indicator on Tradingview. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.